everybody, so I want to do a DIY shelf. I'm just gonna do one. I know like the original has like 4, I think, of the shelf. It's the IKEA shelf. Let me just show you guys. I don't know why I'm saying that by picture. So I have 2 of these boards I bought at Dollar Tree. I'm gonna paint them white with this. And then I bought these. I bought them actually at Walmart. They were like 50 cents each. And I got 2. And just in case I need an extra one. So, and then this is 6,000 glue. So I got 2 of them. I'm gonna paint them white. And then glue them like this. And then use this to hang it. And then I'm gonna see how it works out, and if I like how it comes out, I'll probably do more, like another 3, because I want to put them by my vanities, 2 on each side, so I could put my eyeshadow palettes that I have on my vanity, because my vanity is all cluttered. So I want to like, well, basically clear the space on top of my vanity, so I have just clean. I will clear from the clutter. Alright, so this next part I want to do like a speed of what I'm gonna do, just so you guys won't be bored seeing me like paint and then wait for it to dry and then gluing it. And I mean, it's pretty simple, so I think my first time doing it. I mean, I like doing crafts, so I'm assuming it'll be easy for me. We'll see how it goes. Alright, so this next clip will be like, for you guys will be like a couple of seconds or minutes or something, but for me it'll be like a while. So I'll see you guys at the end of the video. I showed you guys a picture at the end, and I hope you liked the video. I know it's super short, but I guess it's like to make up for the fact that my first 2 videos were like super long. And I'll try and upload a video soon. I just need to figure out what it's going to be about. Because I have so many ideas, but I don't want it to just be crafts and makeup. I want to do more, so I don't know what's going to be my next video. Hopefully it'll be something you guys find interesting. Alright, thanks for watching, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye.